Dear friends, I am Parwinder from West Highlander and I welcome you all in this video about Germany's study visa, in which I would be speaking about the 7 steps involved in the process. I would be speaking about the first step of selecting a relevant course and a university of study in Germany, to the final and last step of receiving your decision for Germany study visa. So friends, keep watching for complete information. The first step in the process of your Germany study visa is to select a course and the university you would like to study in. There is a huge range of courses the students may select from depending on their interest and the career aspirations they may have. The students may select a course in science, engineering, IT, business. So there is a range of course availability for students. The courses are available in English language as well as German language. So the students need to select a course which is available in English language if they would like to choose English as a medium of study. The choice of universities in Germany is also huge. The students may study in a public university or a private university. The attraction of public university is that there are a range of courses in many disciplines, and the education in German public universities is free, which is a big attraction for international students. So the first step involved in the process is to select a relevant course and a university where you would like to study. Once you have made the selection, the second step is to send a complete admission application package. Applicants must note that there are deadlines which are applicable for the admission intakes. So the applicants must send their admission application well in advance so that they can complete the whole process of the admission application. There are many documents which the students need to send with their application, like their academics, any work experience they may have, their English language ability certificate like IELTS if they would like to study a course in English, the letter of recommendations. These recommendation letters may be academic recommendation or a professional recommendation based on the requirement of the course you wish to study. So the second process is to send a complete admission application package to the university of your choice in Germany. After the students receive their letter of admission, the third step is to prepare for APS file. APS certificate is compulsory to get interview slot for Germany student visa application. Now some universities may require that the students have submitted their APS application at the time of admission. So in the second step, that is sending your admission application to a German university, some universities may ask you to submit a proof that you have applied for your APS certificate. The APS, that is Academic Evaluation Center, checks the authenticity of your Indian documents, that is your qualification certificates, your English language ability certificate. So the third step is to get your APS certificate, which is compulsory to get interview slot for your Germany student visa application. The fourth step is to prepare for the visa application. Once the students they have got their APS certificate, they need to start preparing for their student visa application. The students may also start preparing their visa application while their APS certificate is under progress. The students need to prepare a range of documentation in support of the visa application. Some of the documents which are required are your academics, any work experience certificate you may have, your letter of recommendation, the proof of tuition fee payment to a university in Germany, your insurance, your passport copies, and a proof of a blocked account. The students need to have a blocked account where they submit euros 11,208 in the account, which they can use as their cost of living while they are in Germany. So this is the fourth step of preparing your visa application. Once the students have prepared their visa application and have got their APS certificate, the fifth step starts is that the students need to book an appointment with the German embassy. This is required for student visas for Germany. The students book an appointment slot and then they appear for their interview, which is the sixth step. The students are interviewed as a part of their student visa application process for Germany. The students may be asked questions about their interest in study in Germany to gauge their intention that they are a genuine student who would like to travel to Germany for their proposed course. Once the students they have appeared for their interview, they need to wait for their visa decision, which is the last and the seventh step in the process. On receiving your student visa, the students travel to Germany and they may start their proposed course in Germany. So friends, these were the steps involved in the whole process. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. For any query you may have about your study in Germany, the processes, the universities, the visa process, the documentation, the APA certificate process, please contact West Highlander. We are a team of experienced and expert counselors who can help you throughout the process. Thank you.